Dell adapter repair. First we test out, this is a 19-volt adapter and there is no light at the port, so it indicates that it's not working. We open up the adapter, use a heat gun to open it up. First you warm it before removing the cover. It doesn't have screws, so you can only use heat gun, then pry along. Successfully opened. The first thing that comes up is this bulbed capacitor. Just visual inspections. At the underside, nothing visually. I remove the capacitor using the solder gun. Take out the meter, put it on continuity test. The red light shows continuity. My meter does not have the buzzer. So I'm testing out first the diodes after removing the capacitor. Adjusting the camera. The first diode has a short. The next two doesn't. Okay, testing the fuse. The fuse is burnt. So this might be due to overvoltage. Removing the burnt fuse. Replacing it with the exact same. Everything here is from donor board. This is a donor power supply of a monitor. That's where I'm removing the capacitor for replacement. $400 volts, 100 UF. We can compare the two capacitors. The one which is okay is not bulged compared to the one which we have removed. fixing it at the power supply adapter. The negative side is on the shaded part of the motherboard, and the positive side unshaded part. The capacitor has polarities like a battery. You must be careful with the capacitor and make sure that it's discharged to avoid shock. Soldering it in with a fresh new tin. Replacing the two diodes. After that, testing. Being careful not to shock myself. Not working. The fuse inside is burnt. So I'll replace another fuse again. After fuse replacement, I've tested again the board to check the cause of the burnt fuse. And these are the two diodes which caused because they have a short. Tested also this MOSFET, but it's okay outside the board to give me the actual result. As you can see, using the meter, the diodes are short. So always replace all diodes, even if two are burnt. Success. As you can see on the green light, there is now power. Testing the voltage. Always be careful while handling mains voltage. Now testing the adapter on the laptop, working.